Good morning, students. Now I am going to explain numericals based on motion. Okay, this is the first chapter. During an experiment, a signal from a spaceship reached the ground station in 5 minutes. Okay, so time is given, that is 5 minutes. Okay, dear students. Firstly, we have to convert minute into second. So we will multiply it by 60 because in 1 minute is equal to 60 second. So it will be 300 second. Okay, dear student. Now next line is, what was the distance of the spaceship from the ground station? We have to find what was the distance of the spaceship from the ground station. The signal travel at the speed of light 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. So speed is also given, that is 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. Now we have to find what was the distance. It is given and we have to find the distance of this light, and distance is denoted by s, and we know the formula, that is speed is equal to distance upon time. So it will be v is equal to s upon t. So after cross multiplication we get s is equal to v into t. What is the value of v? That is 3 into 10 to the power 8. And what is the value of time? This is a 300 second. After multiplication, 3 into 3, 9. 10 to the power 8. Here 10 to the power 2. So it will be 10 to the power 10 meter. So distance will be 9 into 10 to the power 10 meter. Okay, dear student. Now, second question is, a bus decreases its speed from 80 km per hour to 60 km per hour in 5 seconds. Find the acceleration of the bus, and we know the formula about acceleration, that is acceleration is equal to v minus u upon t. Here v is the final speed and u is the initial speed and time is the denoted by t. Okay, dear student. So firstly we have to know the what is initial, what is final. Again I will repeat the sentence. A bus decreases its speed from 80 to 60. Okay, so 80 is the initial speed and 60 is the final speed. So u is the 80 kilometer per hour. After converting, it will be 80 into 1000 upon 60 into 60. It will be meter per second. After cancellation, we get 22.22 meter per second. Here it is the value of u. Now we again convert v, that is 60 km per hour. V is equal to 60 km per hour. Okay. So again we will multiply it by 1000 upon 60 into 60 meter per second. After cancellation we get 16.66 meter per second. Okay, dear student. So time is also given. You can see time is the 5 second. Okay, time is the 5 second. Now we will put the value of v, u and t in the formula, and formula is the v minus u upon t. V is the 16.66, u is the 22.22, time is 5 seconds. What is the unit of acceleration? That is meter per second square. Okay. After calculation we get minus 5.56 divided by 5. It will be 1.11 meter per second square. Okay dear student. So final answer is acceleration is minus 1.11 meter per second square. Okay. Now third question, that is a train starting from a railway station and moving with uniform acceleration attains a speed 40 km per hour in 10 minutes. Find its acceleration. This question is also same just like that. A train is starting from a railway station. Okay, so initial speed that is denoted by u, that is equal to 0 meter per second, because train is starting from a railway station. It means train is at rest at the railway station and moving with uniform acceleration attains a speed 40 km per hour. It means final speed that is denoted by v is equal to the 40 km per hour. Again we will convert into meter per second. So it will be 40 into 1000 upon 60 into 60 meter per second. Okay. After cancellation we get 10 upon 9 meter per second. So after dividing we get 1.1, sorry, 1 2 3 11 point, it will be 100 upon 9. After dividing we get 11.111 meter per second. So it is the value of v. So let me check what is the value of time. Time is given, that is equal to 10 minute. Okay dear student. So again we will convert into second. So it will be 10 into 60 second. After multiplication we get t is equal to 600 second. Okay student. So again we will use formula of acceleration, that is equal to v minus u upon t. Now we will put the value of v, u and t. So we get 11.11 minus 0 upon 600. Okay. After cancellation and calculation we get 1.85 into 10 to the power minus 2 meter per second square. It is the final value of acceleration. Okay student.